I'm not here to scare you. I'm not here to tell you to run to some other AI like your life depends on it. I'm here to actually talk to you about whether Grok AI is worth your money or not, based on my own experience. Not hype, not panic, facts. If you've been on YouTube in the last few weeks, your feed probably looks like mine. Everybody and their cousin is making a video. Grok AI is dead. Grok AI is too expensive. Stop using Grok AI, use this instead. It's everywhere. And honestly, it's a lot of noise. Yes, Grok AI removed their free tier. Yes, it is now a paid service. That part is true. But the way people are reacting, you'd think the world was ending. So let me cut through all of that and give you a real, honest breakdown. I've tried almost every AI platform out there, and I don't just try the free versions and call it today. If I believe in a tool, I pay for it, I invest in it, because I know that free has limits, and if you're serious about your content, you need serious tools. So when Grok AI went paid, I didn't panic. I asked myself one question: is it worth it? Grok AI is currently $30 a month. Is that high? Yes. Is it expensive compared to free? Obviously. But here's the real question. What are you getting for that $30? You're getting high-quality AI video generation, not just visuals, but video and audio together. A tool that actually listens to your prompt and delivers what you asked for. Something that can think for you, suggest what works best for your scene, your mood, your content. Saved editing time, and if you're a content creator, time is literally money. So is $30 expensive, or is $30 an investment? This is the part most YouTubers are skipping. Not everyone needs to pay for Grok AI. It depends entirely on the type of content you're making. You should pay for Grok AI if you're creating Ghibli-style content. Grok AI generates your visuals and your natural sound effects together. No jumping between tools, no manually syncing audio. It flows. If you're doing that dreamy, cinematic, Ghibli-inspired content, Grok makes it seamless. You should pay for Grok AI if you are creating storytelling and dialogue content. If your content involves characters talking, conversations, or dramatic scenes, Grok handles the dialogue audio for you. You're not going somewhere else to generate voice, then coming back to sync it. It's all in one place. You should pay for Grok AI if you are creating ASMR AI content. ASMR lives and dies by its audio quality. Grok AI generates the ambient sounds, the textures, the soft audio that ASMR needs automatically. If you're in this niche and you are still trying to manually edit soundscapes on CapCut, you're working 10 times harder than you need to. Bottom line, if your content lives or dies by how it sounds, Grok AI is built for you. What about VEO3, you may ask? Yes, I know, some of you are already typing, but what about VEO3 in the comments? And you are right to ask. VEO3 does a lot of what Grok does. It generates video with audio. But here's the thing. VEO3 gives you free credits, and they run out fast. Before you know it, you've done basically nothing with them. I'm not going to do a full comparison here because I'm actually making a dedicated video comparing Grok AI versus VEO3. Which one you should pay for, which one gives you more value, which one fits your type of content. So make sure you're subscribed because that video is coming. If you genuinely cannot afford Grok right now, no shame, we've all been there. Here's my honest advice. Stick with Meta AI. Meta AI generates good video. The visuals are decent and it's free. But, and this is important, Meta AI does not generate audio. That's the core limitation. If your content needs natural soundscapes, ambient audio, or character dialogue, you'll be manually sourcing and editing all of that yourself. Also, Meta AI has a habit of over-dramatizing its videos. Lots of push-ins, pullbacks, and zoom effects that you didn't ask for. You have to be very specific in your prompts to keep it grounded. Tell it, no zoom, no push-in, static shot. Otherwise, it goes cinematic on you when you just want it simple. But for channels doing voiceover over image content, channels where the visuals are just background support for your narration, Meta AI works. It gets the job done. Use it, grow, and when you are ready, upgrade. But here's what I really want to leave you with today. And I need you to actually hear this. Stop letting free be your ceiling. When you start a business, a real business, you use capital. You invest before you see returns. Content creation is no different. If YouTube is something you're serious about, if you genuinely believe your channel can grow and eventually make money, then treating $30 as too expensive is the thing holding you back. Use Grok AI for 1 month. Go all in. Maximize every feature. Create as much as you can. Then at the end of the month, look at your results. Did your content improve? Did it save you time? Did your audience respond differently? If the answer is yes, you pay for month 2. If it didn't serve you, you move on. But at least you'll know, based on your own experience, not somebody else's YouTube video. And please, you don't need to jump straight to the $300 yearly plan. Start with the $30. Test it, believe in it, then scale. So that's it. That's the real Grok AI conversation nobody is having. Not panic, not hype. Just an honest look at what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. If this video helped you, drop a comment. Tell me what type of content you are making, and I'll tell you personally whether I think Grok AI is right for you. And don't forget, the Grok AI versus VEO3 comparison video is coming very soon. You don't want to miss that one. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.